After making hundreds of billions of dollars selling to people on the internet, showing them how to make money the newest way, the bestest way, the smartest way, the fastest way, the easiest way ever, I thought, let me buy another villa. Let me just buy another one here in Cape Town because I need to diversify my portfolio. I need to diversify. And I thought, you know what, like, it's one thing to build it, but like, I want to make sure it gets done properly. You see, I'm a very serious business owner. I like to integrate. I like to make sure that everything I do is synchronized, you know, like everything's in sync. Everything is systematic, synthesized, you know, it's all synthesized, right? So I bought this villa too, so that I can watch them make that villa and make sure it's done properly and get all my work done at the same time. And I thought, you know what, why don't I get a camera guy as well, just a random camera guy, and make sure that we get a video at the same time. So we get all three things all in one, and then we can make hundreds of billions of dollars more selling courses. I'm joking. I don't have anything to sell you, but I did want to share with you today how to make so much money that money gets kind of boring and that you can get back to the stuff that's actually interesting. You see, over the last 8 years, I've made some decent money on the internet. I have a pretty decent lifestyle, but I don't really care about luxury stuff. I don't really care about fancy cars. I don't care about business class. I don't care about watches so much. That stuff's boring to me. I'm gonna put these back on. The sun is shining here. I also paid for the sun to be extra bright today. But it's like, seriously, you know, a lot of people, you see all these guys, you see all these gurus on the internet, and they're like, this is the secret, this is it, this is 5 steps, 5 tactics, 5 strategies, 5 new ways, and like, everything's about making so much money that I think a lot of people have forgotten what they're making money for in the first place. Like, when I started making money online, I wanted to travel the world. I wanted to learn languages. I didn't care about watches or supercars. And the more I spent on the internet and the more people started to show me their supercars and their watches, I started to notice that that's kind of when people started to like this stuff. I don't think all the young guys that are looking to make money like cared about these things until other people told them it was important, you know? And so I just thought, let me just share with you how to make so much money that you can actually do what you care about, live the life you actually want. You know, I mean, if you want a supercar because you want it, then go for it, right? But how to make that much money that you don't actually care. Let's get into it. Ultimate secret, bestest, fastest, #1 way to make billions of dollars online. Step #1 of all the best steps is get a skill. It's that simple. Like, I'm gonna say this in many of these videos. I'm gonna share other secrets, very, very special, amazing secrets. No, I can't do it, son. But like bestest secrets, I will share more. But that's really like the fundamentals of this stuff. Is like, if you watch all these videos on YouTube and you want to make money and you don't want to just take like 100 risks on day one, why don't you just get a skill? Why don't you just get good at something for the first time? Like, just get good at something, invest some time. If it's something that you're already doing, maybe you can do it better and make more money. If you don't have a skill yet because you're just, you know, coming out of school or university or something, then learn how to get attention, learn how to sell. These are 2 very basic fundamental skills on the internet, advertising and sales. If you can get advertising right or sales right, you'll be able to make up to $10,000 a month. And like, that is a very, very simple, easy way to start. And the reason we got the construction site behind me, besides the fact I want to show you as they build my house, I want to show you them building my house so that you realize that my secrets are the best secrets, is that the beginning is hard. It looks like this. This is what life looks like when you're starting out. It's a mess, it's chaotic, it's overwhelming, it's confusing, it's stressful, you know, and it's not gonna go away. And you look at the guys with the supercar and you look at the guys that have the houses that are like me, you know, who has this whole street. I bought all these houses. It's like, it's amazing. You know, you think, wow, like this guy really, you know, this must have always been, it wasn't always like this, you know? Once upon a time, I only had 2 mansions and villas, you know? Okay. No, but seriously, like, you got to look at it this way. You got to look at it and be like, okay, it's not so, you know, sunshine and rainbows. In the beginning, you're just eat dirt. You're just going to have a hard time. But that is actually like was my favorite part of my journey. Like, I actually had the most fun in that hard time where I was struggling, where I was trying to figure it out. It felt like an origin journey. I felt like I was the main character in my life for the first time ever. I actually felt like the main character. It's like, I'm on this journey. I don't know anything. It's all overwhelming. It's all hard. It's like all big. It's all new stuff. Like, I actually felt for the first time that I was on a mission, but I was the main character of it was like a movie, you know? And now I'm looking for like that next thing to do. I'm looking for the next business or the next challenge. It doesn't even have to be business. Like I have lots of things I like outside of business, but I'm looking for something challenging, something interesting, something fun that gives me that like main character in the movie again, like trying to find something worthwhile to pursue, you know? And so I would say that this first phase, when you're on your way to 10K a month, just use 10K as a very nice, clean number, you know? Because I think a lot of people use this number. I think it's a good number, you know? That on your way to 10K is the first time you got like a real mission and you got a real journey in business. It's very fulfilling. Just enjoy it. Enjoy it, like enjoy it. There's nothing more fulfilling than building something and actually seeing the final product. It's like, it's not the same if you don't watch it being built, you know? You just have it at the end. It's like, it's already done. It's like, you don't know what it took to build that. You know, a lot of successful people, they say, the reason that they have so much self-confidence is not the money. It's because they literally built everything from the ground up. They built everything from zero. And that gives them a different perspective, a different context. So that's the first secret, fastest, easiest, bestest, most money-making way to get to 10K a month is get a skill and go and work for somebody that needs that skill in their business. And today, the internet is where all of our generation are making money. Like all of us make money on the internet. So if you can get attention, it's a skill everybody on the internet needs. And if you can sell products or sell things in general, services, products, offers, courses, you can sell the courses that make people billions of dollars. You know, you can even sell that, make money. I sold a lot of courses. Those two skills alone easily get you to 10K a month. And in fact, they can get you even further than that. I've got plenty of business owners I consult today that they all got started with ads, with advertising, with growing on social media. Like my one friend, he makes 50K a month from Instagram. Like he helps Instagram accounts blow up, you know? Another friend of mine, he helped grow a YouTube channel from 1 million subscribers to 4 million subscribers. It's fun. Like it was stressful, but he made a lot of money. He got this great result. Like once you've taken a YouTube channel from 1 million subscribers to 4 million subscribers, you never have to worry about work again. Like you're always gonna have clients and you're always gonna have money. You're always gonna have something that people can pay you for. So that's step one. You get that skill, you get results with that skill to validate the fact that you can do it, and you just keep going. You just keep going. And then you get to step two, the even faster and easier and bester way to make billions of dollars. Let's get into it. Faster, easier, most money-er step number two is
Your coffee, my guru.
thank you, intern number three. Okay, so step number two is actually really simple. If you're making good money from a skill and you want to make more money, before you go and build a business and before you go and invest in crypto and you go and buy Dogecoin or whatever the new crypto coin is now, first thing you do is actually improve your reputation and your relationships with people. Let's say you're in sales, okay? I'll give you an example. If you're in sales and you're making 10K a month, you could work with a business that's more successful, a bigger business, or more businesses that give you more freedom, and you can probably make $25,000 a month with the exact same skill. You're just working with a different, better business. The only way you're gonna get in with the best businesses is if you improve your reputation. So that's what I did. When I was at 10K, I improved my reputation. I improved my skills. I got like photos. I took professional photos. I invested in like creatives, like graphics for my Facebook page, for example, because I would get some clients on Facebook. I'd invest in a logo, just improve my branding, become more premium branding, the best of the best, right? And then when you go for clients, or when you go and work with other businesses, you can charge more money. And you can skip a lot of the years and years and years that many people, let's say, become freelancers. Because a lot of people that learn skills, they end up becoming freelancers. They just end up trading their time for money for low pay because they're working with small businesses. So if you have a skill, you have to realize like your skill creates leverage for somebody else. Your skill, you're selling leverage. They have a business that needs leverage. So they're paying for leverage from you. So if you want to make more money, the easiest way to do it is to take that skill and use it in a business that has even more leverage, because then you can charge more because that leverage is going to create more results. Like take copywriting as an example, because copywriting was the skill that I got started with, right? If I'm writing emails for a business and my emails make them $100,000 a month, they might pay me $3-4 grand a month for those emails. If I'm writing emails for a business that makes $1 million a month for my emails, I could probably charge $15,000, right? So I can charge 3, 4, 5 times more money for the exact same service, but because I'm working with a business that's 10 times bigger, there's more leverage in it, right? I think a lot of people forget this because they think the way to make money is to buy crypto or to build an e-commerce business or to build a software company or sell courses or something. But there is a massive amount of demand in the world for really good service providers. You know, you be a really, really good service provider, help businesses get attention, or help businesses generate sales. Or there's a few other skills as well. Those are just the two main ones that I focused on. So I'm just sharing from my experience what worked for me, right? It's like those skills will pay you so much money and you'll make businesses so much money. So that's step 2, is to take those skills and now apply them to yourself so that your brand, your reputation gets better. You look more presentable, you look more professional. You can attract those higher quality businesses. They're gonna pay you more for the exact same service. And that's when you get to the sweet spot. I would call this like the golden income, $25,000 a month. That's like the new 10K. In these days, like 10K used to be the ideal number, but inflation, assets have gone up in value. Like a lot of things have changed. I wouldn't say 10K is really like as much money these days anymore. I think 25K is more realistically where you need to be, especially if you're in a first world country. It's like you need to make more than 10K. Like taxes will eat a lot of that money. Living expenses, you need some cash. You need savings after your month, right, of income. So step number 3, right? You've made 10K with your skill. Then you use 10K to work with even better businesses. So now you're making 20, 25K. What do you do next? What's that next step? Well, the next step is to build a business of your own, because you have the cash, you have the connections, you have the experience, you have the skills, you have the context. You are much better positioned to build a business now. And you also have a better reputation and you have a personal, I don't know if I would say brand, but you just have respect because you've done some cool stuff. You've worked with some good businesses, you know? 25K is about the point where you want to start making these decisions to build something and to hire people. So when I got to 25K a month, I got stuck because hustling no longer got me the results I wanted. Like if I wanted to get somewhere before 25K, I wanted to close another client, I wanted to make more money, I could just sit at my desk and work for 8 hours and create the cash. After 25K, it wasn't so simple because literally everything I could do, I could just pay somebody else to help me with. I mean, there's a great example. Let's say that you have a business where you're posting on social media. Now you want to make more money, you could sit there and post yourself, or you could pay somebody, you know, a percentage of what you would do it for, like less because you run the business, and they can do it for you. You can delegate. And then if you want to create videos like these ones on this channel, like I don't edit these videos. My team supports me with that. So everything I want to do to grow, I have to do through a team. And that's a skill. That's a very different skill than, you know, like getting attention and selling. Like a new skill, you have to learn how to work through other people and you have to create a product. And so that's really step 3. And, you know, I can create another video and show you exactly what I would do to figure out how to build a really good product that the market actually cares about, because that's a really important part. Is like building a business is about creating a product that's better than anything else. That's the easiest way to do it. If you have a good product, it sells itself. People come to you. Referrals work. Advertising is easy. Conversion, I'm using all this business stuff and all these business words, but everything just gets so much easier when you create a product that's better than anything else, you know? So take your skills, make even more money for yourself by building a better reputation, better brand around your business. Once you're making 25K a month, now you have cash flow, now you have experience, now you have connections, then you start looking for your opportunity. And that's kind of like the level now where I coach people and I consult businesses. I consult the guys making 10, 15, 20, 25K a month. Like that's why I say I don't have a course to sell people, because I help people that already make money. I don't help beginners with a course. Like I'm not going to sell you any courses on how to make money online. Like you don't need it. You can go and Google these skills. You can figure out, we got AI. I mean, like most of the courses these days is just like a whole bunch of AI prompts. Like, hey, how would you show somebody who's 22 years old how to make money online? Oh yeah, great question. Here's what I would do. And like AI gives this guru this long fancy course, and then they take that and they make it a video and then they sell it to you for $100 or $1,000, and that's how they make their money. It's like you don't need it. You can use AI, you can watch videos like this. But yeah, when you get to 10, 15, 20K a month and you're looking to get to that next level, that's where I help people in my B2B consulting business. And that's all I got to share with you for now. If you have any questions or you have anything that you want to learn about how to go from, you know, the early days to making money online, leave a comment in the chat below and then I can make a video about something specific, because I don't know, like I think a lot of people complicate. I think a lot of people add all these secrets. This is very similar to another video I recorded on this channel. It's like, it's the same stuff, the same secrets. Get a skill, get better at the skill, work with better businesses, then build your own business. Like, is there anything else? I don't know. You ask me. You ask me the question. Put in the comment section something you want me to talk about, and I'll talk about it. Until then, I got to go buy a helicopter because I need another one to show off, because everybody has a supercar, but I have a helicopter. Well, I will have one. I'll see you next time.